Here we go. It's puppy playtime. Got a little sprinkler system going on. These two love it when they want to play in it. Or no, they just want to play with each other. But so much energy, these two. Trying to get them burn some of it off, just to get a little bit rambunctious in the house. I wish I got this video earlier because they were running around the sprinkler. Which they might do again. I don't know. It might be tuckered out though. She's not. He's a little more tired. Get these guys all tuckered out. Took them on a walk earlier today, but they need a lot of exercise and they have a ton of energy. Through the gate they go. It's an obstacle course. You guys having fun yet? You're getting kind of tired out. Can we get her, Toby? I know it's not good to turn the water on this time of the day, but I just said it to get these guys to run around a little bit and burn off some pent up energy. Turn it off pretty soon here. Best time to water is in the morning or in the evening, not middle of the day. Alright, well it looks like they are all tuckered up. I get tuckered out.